Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to make color tune on Samsung. So friends, before we continue the steps, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first, you have to move on call app. After that, from here you are going to find the three dot on the up side. So just click on it. After you have been click on it, you will find the setting option. Just click on setting. From here you have to scroll down to call alert and ringtone. Just click on it. Again you have to scroll down to ringtone. Okay, so click on ringtone. After you have been click on ringtone, just scroll on the top. Okay, and you are going to find the how to make silent call tune. Okay, color tune. If you want to make silent color tune, just click on silent and it will be applied successfully. If you have been click and it doesn't set, just click twice. Okay, 1 2 and it will be applied successfully on your device. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.